What's up everyone, Joseph here. I have another bag review, EDC, everyday carry, whatever you want to call it. You guys like these, so I'm bringing you another one. And this right here is the Air City Sling X-Pack. I've taken the Air brand and kind of just extended it. I have an Air backpack and now I have the Air Sling, and I have the X-Pack in both, and after 2-3 weeks with this thing, I'm ready to talk about it. I'm ready to give you my review and show you what I have inside of here, because I really take this thing almost everywhere with me. And let's just say I fell in love with orange and black, and the rest has really been history. So this is the Air City Sling. This is the X-Pack. It's $109, it's a little bit on the pricier side. You can get the normal one that's not the X-Pack for $90. But with the X-Pack, you get this different material, and I mean, it's a sturdy material. You get waterproof zippers. You get a waterproof bag so it doesn't get wet, and I mean, living in Seattle, I mean, it is summer now, but in the winter, that comes in handy a lot. This bag has this fid lock magnetic clasp, which I mean, it's real nice, it's really cool. You have these little orange accents showing that it is the X-Pack. And then if you want to throw this thing in a backpack, all you do is you tie these up and throw them away in there. You can loosen and adjust based on what size you want. You have a carrying handle on top just in case you want to carry this thing with the handles inside here. So let's jump into the bones of this bag and really what it is. We have the first compartment right here. And the first compartment is the first zipper, and it's where you reveal the first X-Pack orange of this thing. And first thing I have is my keys, locked onto a carabiner, just like the backpack has. I always carry my chapstick. This one is grape. So you close that up, and then we have the second pouch of this thing. We have double zippers, and you can know, because they're waterproof, there's some strength to them. And it reveals the inside of this thing where I carry almost all of my essentials. So they have the Air City Sling, and they also have the Air Day Sling. And this is a 2.5 liter pack. The Air Day Sling is a 3 liter pack. This one carries the stuff that's in your pocket. It's an extension to your pocket. The other one can carry like an iPad or a Kindle and stuff like that. So it is a little bit bigger, sits on your body a little bit bigger, and this sits on it more like a fanny pack. But I have my notebook, always keep a notebook with me to write in. With that, I have my pen in here, my pen of choice. And that's the first thing that I keep in my bag at all times. Next up, I have my sunglasses. With the days getting sunnier and brighter, I always keep my Ray-Bans on me. Always keep my Ray-Bans on me. Polarized, always go polarized. When in doubt, polarize. This is my film camera. I keep either my film camera or my Sony ZV-1, which I'm shooting with as my over-the-top cam in here, just to capture moments, capture memories. And then my handy dandy AirPod Pros. I always keep these in here because you never know when you need to pull them out, take a phone call, listen to a podcast, whatever it may be. So that's really what I carry inside of here. It's not much. It's really an extension of my pocket and a few other things I need on really a daily basis. But that is that middle section in here. And as we zip that up, we come back here, and back here, we have the last pouch. And this is like the hidden pouch. You can put a phone in here. But for me, I got my wallet in here. Same Saint Laurent wallet. I keep that back here and just tucked in. It's always closest to my body. And that's it. That's what I carry in my everyday sling. This was simple. This was fast. Do you know why? Because these are supposed to carry things you carry on an everyday basis. Like I said, this is the Air City Sling. This is a $110 sling. You have the materials of the X-Pack. You have the orange accents that show it's the X-Pack, set it apart from the other ones. You have the fid lock. What makes this really the X-Pack is it's completely waterproof, which just is real handy if you live in an environment that gives you precipitation and rain. So I had to get coffee for this one. But that's my everyday carry, my grab and go everyday carry. my Sling Pack everyday carry. That's it, that's what it is. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to grow this channel. We're trying to get to 1,000. With your guys' help, we can get there and really grow this thing, make this community something else. So with that, that's my everyday carry, my grab and go everyday carry. And I'll see you guys in the next video.